happy birthday, happy retirement. Thank you for 31 years. Alam mo, nagsilbi ka sa gobyerno, pero aking ka lang. Aking ka pa rin. So, ngayon, akin na siya.
Since 2013 po, nakilala ko si Sir Paul bilang napakabait at napakabuting tao. So masasabi ko po na si Sir Paul yung officer talaga na abot kamay lang ng PNCO. Pagkausap mo siya, o hindi ka mag-aalinlangan na ma-approach siya kasi very approachable po siya and talaga namang very humble.
Hi Sir Paul, happy birthday and happy retirement. I just wanna thank you for being such a great boss to us and we are grateful to be part of your journey. And best wishes sir and happy retirement po.
"31 years, one badge, endless gratitude. Today, June 25, 2026, I stand before you not as a chief of police, not as a provincial director, but as a man to hang his uniform for the last time. 31 years and 24 days, more than half my life.
Tanging namumutawi po sa akin ay ang pasasalamat ko sa inyo. Pasasalamat dahil itinuring niyo po kami, sir, na bilang parang isang pamilya. Hangad ko po ang health, happiness sa inyong retirement. So, enjoy your retirement day, sir.
More than half of my life, I served the Filipino people. And let me tell you the truth, policing is not a walk in the park. It's a job where you're damned if you don't, and damned if you do.
This could be the moment, honest. The door is fine.
Happy birthday, Sir Paul, and happy retirement, sir!
Never been so wide awake. I'm running over barricades, feeling like a hurricane. Oh,
Napakabait mo, hindi kita makakalimutan. Yung mga memories natin na marami tayong pinupuntahan, sobrang mamimiss kita. Happy birthday.
Thank you sa support. Pero alam mo yung ang tagal-tagal na kahit solo ako, nakaya ko na alagaan yung dalawang bata, pero nandiyan ka pa rin sa amin to support. Financially lahat, wala na akong hilingin pa kasi napaka-blessed namin ng dalawa kong anak ako. So, may mga dinaanan kami pero we pass.
I encountered a lot of challenges. I made tough decisions. I lost sleep. I lost time with my family. Pero through it all, I learned one thing. Our job is to continue to think and innovate what's best for the safety and security of the community. We risk our lives for the safety of others. That's the oath. That's the duty.
Birthday, happy retirement. May all your endeavors be fruitful.
ang pulis ay tao din. Nagkakamali, napapagod, pero laging babalik sa tungkulin. Support the PNP. Partner with the police. Because policing is not just the job of the police. It's the responsibility of all.
Let the blood flow through your veins. Let the air fill up your
Police Brigadier General Abay, thank you for your unwavering service to the PNP and especially to Team Kasurok. May your next chapter be as fulfilling as the legacy you leave behind in the police service. Cheers and congratulations, my brother.
For me, the badge comes off today. But the heart of a public servant that never retires. Maraming salamat sa Philippine National Police. Maraming salamat sa bayan. Maraming salamat sa Diyos. Mabuhay ang Philippine National Police. Mabuhay ang Pilipino. Sa aking pamilya, I'm home. Maraming salamat po.